Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking and unblocking numbers on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will show you how to easily block and unblock numbers on your Samsung phone. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Tap on the phone icon in the bottom left corner of your home screen to open the phone app. Then tap on the three vertical dots button in the top right corner. Select Settings from the options. In Settings, tap Block Numbers at the top. Then on the Block Numbers page, type the number you would like to block where it says Add Phone Number. Then tap the green plus to the right of the number to block the number. You can also tap Recents to choose a recently contacted number to block, or tap Messages to block someone who has sent you a message, or Contacts to choose someone from your contacts to block. When a number is blocked, you won't receive any calls or messages from that number. If you would like to unblock a number, then you can tap the minus button to the right of the blocked number. That number will then be unblocked. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.